Hi, I'm Maggie McCauley with Wholehearted Parenting, and every month we have a live virtual workshop. We also launch an online workshop about the same topic. This month in June, our workshop is exactly what you see on your screen: when your child or you wants to quit. So no matter how many wonderful things you introduce your child to, it could be team sports, anything in the arts, they're going to quit at some point. And how you handle that, how you converse with them is profound. Also in your life, there are going to be times that you want to quit, and there are going to be times that you quit. So wouldn't it be great to make that decision about quitting from a place that feels very embodied, a place that honors your values and who you are? And that is what this workshop is about. How do you talk to your child in a way for them to discover what their values are, how they express those values, what quitting means to them, and what is that thread that connects what they're doing in their life? All of us have beliefs and judgments around quitting, around the meaning of perseverance, around the meaning of responsibility. And we're going to explore all of that in this workshop that's happening this coming Saturday, June the 11th. Friday, the 10th is the last day to register. So I hope that you will join me, because this whole experience is about tapping into your resilience and guiding your child to tap into their resilience. Because throughout their life, there are going to be moments where they want to quit. Again, in team sports, in the arts, in a relationship, school, and what they learn from you about that will last them the rest of their life when they're faced with those situations where they think, hey, I don't want to do this anymore, I want to quit. So they'll be able to make that decision from that embodied place, from a place of truly expressing who they are, and a place of feeling confident and secure in their decision. And the same for you, whenever it is you're faced with, do I quit? Do I continue? And we're always faced with those decisions, sometimes daily. So I hope that you'll join me this Saturday. This is going to be fun. This is an experience, and there'll be a new perspective for you about quitting. So thanks so very much. Just go to Wholehearted Parenting and click on shop. This will be the fourth item in the shop. So thanks so much for listening here, and I hope to see you on Saturday.